Hi guys, going to show you how to install our train track mod on here. There are three PEM studs that already come with the track that you have. One is mounted right there, one right there, and one there. The PEM studs are the threaded part that go down. With the tracks, we provide three black nuts that will screw on there. One of the ways of doing it, just simply put this first one on, start screwing the nut on by hand, get it kind of snug. They're locking nuts, and then same thing for each one of those. Use a crescent wrench and tighten them down. This side gets a little bit tight though to get in there, in which case this whole assembly can come off fairly easy. It comes off through here, undoing that, and right there. That will allow you to take this whole assembly and turn it on its side, which then gives you easier access to those. Or if you just want to take a little bit more, you could just real easy couple little quarter turns with the crescent wrench for each of your outer ones, and the center one is a lot easier because you have clearance. But other than that, just quite simple install. Just be mindful when you're doing this with any of your wrench or tool. If you have it on clear ramp, don't want to sit there and rub it with your crescent wrench and gouge up your ramp. That's the only thing to keep in mind, and keep your game looking nice. So hope everybody enjoys the mod, and thanks again.